Dear love, dear my future home, let's not be alone anymore. Gingerbread and sweater wrapped us warm. We'll remember this till skull and bones. When your mind is overloaded, veiled with thoughts all grounded, no seatbelt on your roller coaster ride. But dear love, I'll be by your side. 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 Dear love, dear my boy, no one has to know what we are here for. But one thing for sure, you're what I'm grateful for. You. It's never been easy to be with the girls I need. Everybody left, but you choose to stay. You see me as a woman, and you treat me like a girl in her teenage dream. A flower is enough, but you give me the whole garden. Ooh, you're such a dream to me. Strong with my arm on, soft as you touch my heart. Dear love, dear my hope, we never know what the future holds. I hope love isn't dead like I was once.